Welcome back. This is episode 2. I have 3 more dragonflies to cut, and then I can start the colors. I just made it with the black fabric. I thought I was going to run out, but I managed. So I just have to press them and cut. Hey, I have 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 somewhere. I have to decide how I'm going to do the colors, if I want to do all the left wings first or if I want to do one at a time. And I think I'm going to do one at a time. So we're going to pick a color. Let's do, well, we have the blue. Let's do blue. So here's my dragonfly, and what I want to do is a gradient where it goes from dark blue to light blue. Mostly dark to light here, a little bit of dark here, and light. So if I look at, this is left top. Let me see, no, it goes this way. Okay, so I'm probably going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a dark color. Alright, so these are the ones, and I'm not gonna glue them yet. They have to be pinned, and I gotta make sure that when they get fused to the fabric that I keep the same amount of space in between them. I think the one that goes here, number 8, I'm going to do it in dark as well. Okay, and that's number 8. Alright, and this is what it looks like. So I didn't pin those yet. I need to do a mirror version of that on this wing. I'm going to do that at another time because this was tedious and I got to make dinner. But what do you think? I'm starting to think that maybe these two should be lighter. I don't know. I don't mind it. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm not sold on this fabric. That's the problem. I'm starting with the left bottom. It's the same process. I just gotta pick the colors. So what I'm going to do is the whole tip here is going to be light, and then this here is going to be medium, and then the two here are going to be the dark. So overall, I don't think this is a difficult pattern, but it's definitely a time-consuming one. So if you plan on making it as a gift, plan ahead, because this is not something you're going to do. I mean, I don't know how fast you can work, but this is not something you're going to do in a few days. Need to join this too. Oh wow, that does look pretty neat. And it went much better, so I like it. Oh, it really does look like stained glass, doesn't it? I'm hesitating in starting to apply them now before I do the other two, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna pin them and start the other side. Okay, so I've pinned them all. I'm just gonna leave them pinned, and I'm gonna say goodbye now because I have other things to do, but I was able to do the entire left side. And what I'll do when I'm ready to apply them to the black fabric is just do one at a time and adjust as I'm pressing. I have a little bit too much black here, so this one's gonna have to be brought down a little bit. Might be the last one I do on the wing, but here's the left side. So the next time you see me, I'll have the whole right side down and we'll start with a different color. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you found this very relaxing and you get an idea of what it takes to do this kind of applique. Again, this is the second time I do this, but it's not difficult. It's just a very long process. Very, very long process. But I'm enjoying it, and I hope you do too. I'll talk to you later. Bye.